This is the Trimble family. Life is good. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
And here is the video.
Well, guys, we made it to the auto mechanic, and we got all these cars here, man. He said he's gonna get to it. He got the pump, so hopefully this guy ain't joking around. Cause I'm gonna stay on his butt, man. I done came here 3 days in a row. There's Captain. See you guys when the car get on the inside. Coming down off the thing. Get ready to go, y'all. Time to go. Get out of here. The kids been aggravating me too.
Compared to us.
Hey guys, we're back and we're on the road again.
Chilling. Brilliant.
Right?
There's actually like
Everything is everything. We still got a lot more to fix on the car.
Yeah, you gotta get a whole transmission.
Okay,
We gotta get a whole quiet kids. We gotta get a whole transmission done, but it's all good. It's driving us from point A to point B right now, y'all.
At least I can drive.
At least we can drive and get where we're supposed to go.
Y'all, tell me how weird this is, okay? I went to a restaurant, saw a Lambo.
Me.
Turn around, go to the car shop where we get the maintenance people are, and see 2 more Lambos. I done saw 3 Lambos in the course of one day.
Yeah. Quiet kids, we talking to the people, so we just leaving. We've been there since what time, Cap?
9.
9 o'clock. What time is it now?
Going on 6 o'clock.
Going on 6 o'clock. So we've been here a total how many hours?
9 hours.
9 hours. So quiet, Rita.
9 hours.
9 hours we've been there.
Just to fix a little part.
Yeah. Because they've been skipping over us when we was gone. That's what happened. This part should have been
So it's
fixed.
45 minutes. Yeah, it only gonna take 45 minutes. That means you could have been early this morning when you first pulled me up.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't have to worry about getting no rental.
Yeah.
Me getting that loaner.
That
You could have
loaner
been
car.
had me done. I wouldn't have been scrunched up in them car.
Then we had to go get the kids. They acting out all over the place. Am I right, Cap?
I know some kids are in trouble when they get home.
I wasn't bad.
But we're gonna do it.
I was
You tell it who?
We're gonna do it live. We're gonna talk to y'all, but we gotta go to the grocery store right now.
I look cute.
So yes,
Can I take the tear out now?
No.
we're gonna go get beans and weenies, and we're not doing no major grocery shopping until probably tomorrow.
We gonna have some beans and weenies for dinner.
Yeah.
Beans and weenies.
So our major grocery
Some mac
haul,
and cheese.
gonna be tomorrow. So quiet.
Where's my phone? Let me charge you up, baby.
Our major
I
grocery.
missed you. I said yes, beans and weenies.
I'm talking about tomorrow. We're doing a major grocery haul tomorrow, y'all.
We are?
Yeah, 'cause we have to go get the groceries tomorrow. Remember? We got the food stamps. We gotta go get.
I ain't know what we doing this shit.
Yeah, we going tomorrow. I gotta empty out that freezer today. So we gotta.
I'm tired. My hands hurt.
My back hurt and all that other good stuff.
I ain't doing none today.
I'm totally
We're
not.
gonna cook and
Reed's
that's
gonna empty
it.
the freezer.
You gotta fill it back up again.
Can I help her?
Except it's
No!
not the milk.
Rita. Yell like you crazy again.
Good part about it is y'all, we're on the road.
Y'all know wrong.
We can turn like we need a turn now.
Wash this car.
And no more
medication?
Schwarzenegger arms.
There's nothing in there.
I need you. I'm in an accident.
Y'all, these kids have drove me insane. On top of the fact I'm already frustrated because I don't know if the results are going to come back tomorrow. So I'm stressed out about that.
Yeah, me too.
On top of the fact that this car was giving me a headache. Now I have major headache and this girl is messing with my hair.
Every time that you get close to doing your thing, this car seems to like go right along with it, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
You ever notice that?
I know. Every time I have a problem with my getting results or something like that to get results, the car always messes up.
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm like, what the
You was went over there at 12 o'clock Tuesday, guys.
yeah.
They got on 79th Street.
For what?
Remember when you come at 12? Look at the cars?
Oh, yeah.
Look, guys. Daddy.
Yesterday. He said yesterday. As long as my car's all right now. We getting our way around. So we can
Oh, what do
get
I
better. Hell, the woman fixed $2,000. I'm going to fix my damn car.
It's
is back on. Yep. Hold on, y'all. We went for a tumble. And we're back.
I'm not gonna pay nobody $2,000 for no other type of car that's gonna mess me when I go to fix my own damn car, right?
No, it's
So,
So I might as well just fix up. We gonna fix her ass up. Gonna fix up up, and that's gonna be it.
Can we go wash the car?
Can I get hand sanitizer to take this mask off my face?
you sure can, baby. You sure can, sweetie. That go.
What's the name?
No, give me it! Give me it!
Are you doing a live chat today?
Take this off, baby.
That's the reason why you just wash your hands and kick it off.
He touched the dirty ass wheel. This man gotta spray this wheel. This man touched the wheel, you know. Coronavirus, y'all. It's real. I ain't trying to, I gotta spray my wheel down with some Lysol disinfectant.
The girls are so beautiful, and AJ looks handsome as always.
Who said that?
Digital Ladybug.
She just don't know how bad
We got a new person. What is it? Wyatt Wonder?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all. Love your energy. Beautiful family.
They're starting up, Mommy. One chair started.
That's nice.
They love our energy.
Good cherry.
Where is it? I don't see Queen Cherry. I
They
see
love me. They really love me.
We do. Mommy, look. Just a yellow. Oh, wow.
What? A yellow what? The Lamborghini?
Oh, my God.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
What is that, you guys?
Huh?
What kind of car was that?
Lamborghini yellow.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
That was a Lamborghini.
No, I think that's a Honda. I think that's a Nissan. No, maybe a Nissan.
No, you sing.
What?
These kids are driving us crazy, guys. Point blank, period, guys. As you see, we just been been up to the candle, like we said before, all day long. And then these kids, they won't light up or nothing.
9 hours up here.
9 hours? 9 hours up there. And as you see,
Stop it. Put your hand.
they're still acting out. So what's gonna happen is they're gonna eat, they're gonna get their medication, and they're gonna go to bed
Again early.
again early. Who fault is that?
But I can't say everybody got up rather lovely today.
Yeah, they're gonna keep getting up early because they're gonna keep acting out. They're gonna keep going to bed early.
But I took myself to bed early.
And guess what? Weekends y'all gonna start going to bed early too because y'all don't know how to
Daddy,
act.
I
Period.
took myself to bed early last night. Wait, Daddy, sit up.
So Captain had to head to Publix, run in real quick, grab some. What do you call that? I might get out with it because I'm so aggravated. I need to walk around and see something different in the mechanic shop. Arena.
Did you do the knot I had there?
No, there's no neck in this one.
Yes, it was. It's been a knot in all of them.
Oh, drama. It's not dry yet. There need to be no. But I think.
But you didn't burn it.
Why?
Excuse me, y'all.
Because the tips don't want I want them like that.
They will never accept that.
This person was in the other lane to turn left, and I'm going straight. He turns out of his turning lane and turns in front of me. I tell you, Miami drivers, y'all. Miami drivers.
Mommy, the teacher said
Can't say no
sign
more, y'all.
where the X is. Mommy, she said sign where the X is.
Tell your teacher we need to read it first.
Huh? No, it's her report card.
Tell your teacher that when we get round to it, she will get it.
Yes,
Oye, calla la boca ahora.
These teachers in Miami-Dade County got a lot of
No, yes.
I gotta put it,
What is that? What is non-fiction?
nerves.
No, non-fiction text teachers.
Because like parents ain't got things they gotta do too. We have to deal with disabled children as well, 24 hours a day. You know?
Exactly.
Rita. See, why don't they listen?
Why do they what?
Why don't they listen?
I don't know, but they gonna listen when they get home though.
They make it hard on themselves.
And there be no treats. See, Rita just talk herself out of getting what she's supposed to get, her and the rest of the kids. Right? Right, Kevin?
As always. It's like easy to say, forget it all.
You don't give her time for
Can't be shush.
next month is coming. Quickly. It's around the corner.
And we won't do it.
Won't do what?
What I said I was gonna do.
Mm-hmm. And Shanada has tickets for something, and she would not go. Keeping it up.
Nano sleeping.
Shanada just
I ain't
went,
doing nothing. I'm asleep.
I'm talking about before that. Before Nina went to sleep, Nina was spazzing out. Did you forget? I think you did. These people speed. I mean, Jesus, black people, man. Our people speed so darn fast around there, man. Like, what are you in a rush for? I mean, take your time, drive. You feel me? They get older people not scared to get on the road, you know? Because these young people driving like they going to lost their mind. Nowadays in Miami, you got to drive for yourself and other people. That's facts. You could be in the way going north and somebody going south. They'll swerve over in your lane. You got to be careful. You see, I see Rita. Rita just don't want to behave. Yeah, I saw you, and it was on camera.
Get Natty. She keeps opening people's private phone. No, I was not.
Stop.
Necklace. It's my necklace. Natty,
No,
no, it's mine.
5.
So now, Natty, just
4.
keep saying it's mine. And you was not saying nothing. You're doing the whole time. So now.
Y'all behave. Y'all kids, see these kids, y'all? They don't get it.
2.
They don't get it. The ride,
1.
the ride home from
Forget it.
mechanic.
Think that we was gonna do? We ain't doing it no more.
Say what? Say it again.
Nope, I'm not doing it. Why would I reward y'all with money when y'all don't listen?
Rita, Antoinette, Antoine.
I'll be dumb as heck.
I don't know. You did it a couple of times. I can't tell you. You still reward them, and that's why they keep doing what they're doing. You still reward, even though you say this, what you saying.
I'm not doing it.
They know by the end of the month you're gonna reward them. Now
I'm
watch.
not doing it.
I'm gonna film, guys.
Is this the end of that month?
I'm talking about the next month. Yeah. I'm gonna film, guys. I'm gonna film her rewarding them when she says she's not. It's on tape. And I'm not gonna say nothing, but I told you. See, that's what I'm gonna say. Because they never gonna get it. We keep buying them stuff. They're never gonna get that. Punishments are real. You can't be rewarded for things that you're doing bad. That's why they act like they don't care, because they know that you're gonna buy them stuff anyway. Treats and stuff. So now we back by our end of the world. Whoa, this fool just speed coming across the oh man, these people, man. I should, like, really. Guys, we're gonna stop right here. We're gonna pick it back up when we get to the grocery store.
cancel it for next month too. The following month. Because we can do that. Don't matter to me.
This is what they do, y'all. Let me read it. You know the crazy part about this road going back this way? It'll take you right back toward the Family Dollar. Which I didn't know that. So guys, I'll see you guys when we reach our destination, you guys. Pick this back up.